In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can block notifications. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Notifications. Following that, you can click on Siri Suggestions over here and use all of those switchers to block notifications or switch them back on. You can also click on the top left corner of this section, scroll down, click, tap on one of those apps or one of those features and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!